Changing your payout bank account on Stripe is a critical task, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it while managing that mandatory holding period. First, open up your Stripe dashboard and look for the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. From there, you need to navigate into Business Settings and select Bank Accounts and Scheduling. In some versions of the dashboard, this might simply be listed under the Payouts tab. Once you are there, you will see your current bank account listed. Click on the three dots or the Edit button next to it. Now you are going to enter your new details, including the routing and account numbers. Make sure these match your bank records exactly to avoid any further delays. After you save, Stripe will likely prompt you for a confirmation via email or SMS for security. Once that is done, keep in mind that these changes apply only to future payouts. If you have any payouts currently marked as in transit, those are still going to be sent to your old account. Now, here's the important thing you need to understand about the 7-day hold. Stripe imposes a 7 to 14-day delay on first payouts, and this often applies to new bank accounts as a risk mitigation measure to monitor for fraud. There is actually no method to bypass this hold because it is a non-waivable, mandatory policy. However, it goes both ways. While you have to wait now, once your account is verified and you establish a history, this hold typically shortens to a 2-day rolling basis. The catch is that if you provide inaccurate bank details, you will trigger even longer delays due to failed payouts. To minimize future issues and qualify for standard schedules faster, keep your chargeback ratios below 1% and ensure all your business verification info is current. If you follow these steps and maintain a low-risk profile, your payout schedule will stabilize quickly. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.